Happy day 21 of day trading pre-market. Set the scans in a few seconds here. Forgot today was a bank holiday. Stock market's open, banks are closed, so my cash account is looking pretty weak today. Let's see what today has in store for us. So, 50 seconds in. Market's opening up slightly lower at the moment. No news yet. NEUP. Announces strategic review, maximize stockholder value. Ooh, okay. All right, that's not gonna send us up 300%. Well, it might. You never know. But nothing still. About 4 minutes in now. MSPR, penny stock, I'm just kind of watching it. I'm not planning on trading it. Was GLTO the one that they wouldn't let us trade yesterday? I think it was. Yes, I tried to hit this candle right here. I remember. $0.20 spread. All right, here comes Trader TV then. I don't know why my sound mixer gets messed up every day.
With our friends on Squawk on the Street, must watch there when it comes to AI, Becky. I'll send things back over to you guys.
Okay, done. Thank you very much. We'll see you later.
Meantime, Meta's chief AI scientist, Jan Hussein, now planning to leave the company to found his own startup, as according to the FT, citing people familiar with the matter. The report saying that he's now in talks to raise funds for a new venture, and perhaps this was in the cards because, Alex Wang came in. That was a huge hire. And Jan, who's been with the company for a long time, hasn't really gotten his way inside of Facebook.
Right, coming up, getting past the shutdown, Senator Jerry Moran of Kansas on the deal, heading to the House. Will join us on set next. Then later this hour, FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty McCary is on the agency's decision to lift the warning label on female hormone replacement therapies. That's at 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Squawk Box returns in a moment.
Alright, Trader TV, relax. Chill. Let's see what's going on here, BODI. VCIG? No. Alright, I gotta figure out share size here. I'm gonna wait and see if there's news. It's buzzing. See it out of the corner of my eye. Bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I guess I could have hit that bear trap, but it's alright. I just want to wait for news. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. BODI, you gonna curl?
Look at Obamacare to try to rein in the rampant price inflation that they've seen on all the planet.
So Senator Kennedy is a kick and enjoyable to listen to, and really, really intelligent and smart. And reconciliation is a narrow opportunity created in the rules that allow 51 senators to do something that they can't otherwise do. to overcome the filibuster.
You're allowed to do 2 more, he said.
And we can, the rules allow us to do this again. It is a painful and difficult process, and the rules make it very difficult to do more than a narrow set of things. But there is certainly talk about that being another opportunity for the Republicans to increase the things that we think are to get done.
Short of getting rid of the filibuster and just making it, I don't know. I don't know what that would do. I don't know what the president would try to do if the, I mean, left completely no guard. I can't imagine. Of course, same with Democrats. I don't want to see what happens if either party gets rid of the filibuster.
I'm with you. I'm a supporter. I know it sounds odd to support a filibuster, but it is something that I think is important, not just to the institution of the Senate, but important to the country. And I consider myself generally a member of the minority, whether the Republicans have a majority or the Democrats have a majority, because I represent a rural state in which our issues are different than the vast majority of the nation.
Yeah.
My ability to influence the direction that the country goes is enhanced on behalf of Kansans. Well, we have the opportunity to require.
Manchin and Sinema are both gone. So what happens if the prospects for the Democrats taking the Senate independent?
It doesn't mean it seems to me that the House is more vulnerable for that to happen. The Republicans in the House are more vulnerable than the Senate. But Republicans in the Senate ought to be paying strong attention to the American people, because I think there's a strong sense of dissatisfaction with the way things are.
Then you would agree to a vote.
12 minutes.
Senator had promised if you were the House on the extension of the pandemic era Affordable Care Act subsidies.
I mean, I think there's political consequences to
If you don't have
the importance of this healthcare issue. How you do that matters, and the way it was done.
Would you vote yes to extend it for a year?
I would work to change it from what it is today to work better and be something that is more valuable to the individual consumer, to the person who has the healthcare needs, than what it is today.
What's that look like?
Which is really about paying insurance.
So that's health savings accounts or something?
That is certainly something that we've long supported and believe that people need more control over their healthcare decisions. But to suggest that healthcare can be ignored politically or just as a practical caring for people can't be done.
So the prospects for a bloodbath in 2026 in the House, a lot of people said 12 months in Trump world is, you have no idea what it's going to be 12 months.
I mean, the news changes every day. I think there are issues that, again, are driving people to worry about their future. They are economic, and they're feeling the pain. I mean, there's lots of things going on. You mentioned healthcare, but the business community. I mean, farmers in Kansas and trade with China and others is a hugely important issue. It's how we earn a living. Air capital of the world. We manufacture. Tariffs and steel and aluminum. The supply chain puts people to work, and those things, everybody is, and even the air traffic. I mean, that plane that crashed with a helicopter on January the 29th originated from Wichita, Kansas. In addition to all the things that the shutdown has created, is we've not been able to further Secretary Duffy's plan to make air travel safer. All those things, uncertainty, people don't like. I don't like uncertainty. I want to know what tomorrow looks like. Hard to do in this world, but if the politicians, the elected officials don't deal with these economic certainty issues, voters will have a strong voice.
Senator, the outrage towards Chuck Schumer from the progressive wing of his party has some people wondering if politics of old, of the last 30 years or so, where you might see people working around across the aisles, is a thing of the past. Is it tougher to be able to work with anybody from this position, and do you see it getting easier anytime soon?
It is tougher. Politics and the divisiveness has changed in my time in the United States Senate. You feel the consequences. It's become one team versus the other, and we generally now are electing people whose goal is to fight, not solve a problem. I don't want to disparage anybody, but there's a lot of as compared to any cooperation. How does it change? The American people could demand that of elected officials. But in this the shutdown, and you mentioned the Democratic leader, I've never seen a circumstance that I can recall in which the leadership of the Senate, Republican or Democrat, didn't take the lead in solving the problem.
Right.
Different than leaving it up to 8 senators on their
From a
own.
government shutdown. Right.
That's an unusual, maybe I've seen before, an unusual thing.
What's going on here?
Hands off solving this problem of the shutdown.
Trading halt status updated at.
Some of them aren't running. Durbin's not running again, right? And Shaheen's not running again. I don't think others are in some pretty. It did take courage. It took much less courage not to do anything for all the others, I think, including Schumer.
Said late Monday, U.S. District Northern Illinois denied a request for FTC certain state regulatory preliminary injunctions that would have blocked proposal acquisition by GTCR affiliate. The deal completion is still subject to.
Did he do it? Whose job did he do? For the American people?
All right.
I was headed, we all have our, the things that pull us.
Is that just normal buyout news? I don't know. VCIG, baby.
Might be the time to remind people, remind ourselves.
All right. Shut up, Trader TV. VCIG. Bussin'? Bus? Should we waste our buying power on this? That's good volume. We wasted the good surprise on you. Yo, with no fresh news? Interesting. To break at 250, went to 256. Why? Why is this happening? Still cruising? Is this gonna be suspect? This kind of pop out of nowhere? Oh, now your Zoom's gonna stop working. I mean, that's kind of sus, right? Just that pop, big volume. No news, trying to reel in some buyers or something to smack us with the offering or what? We got about 5 minutes until possible news drop. What's today, Tuesday? Yeah. Is it done? Did it run its course already? Red volume lighter than the green volume. I'm gonna wait to see if there's something at the half hour. I have a few opportunities for the buying power, so I gotta make them count. Holy smokes. Doesn't look like it is done. Looks like I just missed a bunch of opportunities, 2 to be exact. 3 actually. Alright, don't do anything too fun without me while I wait for these news drops. It's a good range though, 40 to 74, 1 minute. It's a real good range. Got about a minute. Red volume picked up there a little bit. Buyers 69, small buyers. Alright, here's a half hour. Let's see if we get something. Hitting scans, fresh scans, fresh scans. Nothing new on the scan yet. Ping ponging with 80 here. ZENA. What's the news on you? Whoa. Not 1000%? For real, dog? For real? That's a lot of percentage for quarter over quarter growth. Oh, how did that trade turn red? That's what I get for trying to take half off. I tried to take half off at 50, fumbled the cancel hotkey, and then got out red. Oh, got caught there, maybe. All right. Well, $50 L. A lot of red volume here. I probably could have stayed away from this. This little headline here reports record 1,225% for, I guess that's Q2. You know, that had me thinking that this would at least hold up a little bit better after, especially after this daily level, and this VWAP is right there at like 440. I hit that, fumbled that one. You know, that one should have been a green trade, but it's all right. It is what it is. And now I'm all out of cheddar because the banks are closed and the money didn't settle overnight. So I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. Peace.